Well, as you can see, I'm halfway done. I already did a his and hers dresser, which is, that's my monkey's and this is mine's. Also the baby's too. So basically, I have a lot of Pampers over there. We got mad Pampers and wipes and stuff for the baby. We got everything, all his little stuff, everything filled up over there. Mad Pampers and wipes. My goodies over here when I'm DJing or working or whatever. I still haven't connect half of everything, which I still got more stuff to put up over here. Also, I'm waiting for the baby to get up because mama and the baby's sleeping right now. So yeah. And from there, everything looks good. You know, I gotta plug everything up, and then from there, everything will be perfect. Listening to my rock music, classic rock. You already know. I still got more stuff to hang up there too. So the wall's plain too. I still gotta fix all that too, so it'll be all right. Other than that, yeah, the best thing right now, out of all this stuff that's here, is this Halloween Twix. I mean Twinkies.